Best paying jobs in finance. Investment banker. Investment bankers help companies raise funds by issuing stock, which is known as going public or an initial public offering, IPO. They help companies sell bonds, which provide capital for funding operations and expansion. Investment bankers are also involved in merger and acquisition deals. Investment bankers are famous for earning high starting salaries directly out of school. An investment banker can start in the $70,000 range. The average starting salary for an investment banker at a large firm is over $100,000, whereas it averages $74,000 at a smaller firm. Compensation also comes in the form of bonuses, profit sharing, and commissions, which can double this salary for investment bankers. The median investment banker salary averages $151,000 to $162,000. Salaries rise as titles change from analyst to associate to the executive director to vice president to managing directors. Investment bankers may start below six figures in some places, but quickly rise to make $400,000 or more after a few years at firms like Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley. Wall Street investment bankers make 5 times the average of other investment bankers, with compensation totaling $438,000 a year. Managing directors earn in excess of $1 million a year or more.